For today's session we need these materials, this box, spinat cards, this is a wooden wheel and the stands, and this is a motor bed stand. Now we need a motor bed, batteries, and this is a double way stick tape, and this is a battery holder. We need sketch pens and colors and some beakers. So to make spinat and drawbot, first we need to assemble the motor bed. Now attach this round wooden piece. And fix it to the motor. This hole is there we have to fix the axle. Now let us fix the stand. So pop out these stand bits. Now fix these stands. So now our spinat setup is half done. From this pouch you have to take these spinat cards and open them. There are slits given here. Pop out these slits. Same wise for the second piece also. Now let's arrange. These cardboard pieces are fixed so that the color will not spill outside, and fix it to the grooves here. The other card also. And now add some washers to this. From this box you will get washers and sketch pens. So we'll use sketch pens afterwards. So these washers, take 4 washers. And you have to fix them here. So now our setup is done. So now you take this MF long wire and connect it to the motor bit. Here, this is a male pin and this is a female pin. So connect the female pin to the motor bit. See that this top end and this holes matches the pins. So the other end we have to connect to the battery. This is a battery holder, so we have to push them open like this, and now we have to load the batteries. See, when you are loading the batteries, the switch should be off, the battery holder switch. Now insert them. See the polarities, negative, we have to put this negative to this negative. Now this negative goes here and the positive comes up, and same way here also. Likewise we have to insert all the 4 batteries. So negative or positive, negative, positive, negative, and negative, positive, and positive, negative. Now take the cap and push it. Now your battery is ready. So from this pouch, take this spin art wheel, keep on this. So now our spin wheel is ready. So take some sketch pens from this box. See, when we on the battery, the motor starts running and our spin wheel is rotating. So take a sketch pen and put some colors. So we can get so many patterns out of this. You can try with other sketch pens also. So to make stand, pop out these materials from the wooden board and now turn it back side and then peel away this two-sided tape. It is properly aligned and then press it. Now peel away the other side. Now fix this onto the top and now you can pop out these holes, rings. So we can fix our beakers here. So our stand is ready. So to make spin art, we need some water, colors and the beakers with the stand. So first let us take some colors. You can take your own favorite colors. You have to take some color and put it in the beaker. And add some water and mix it well. Add some color if it is very diluted. So from this pouch, take this spin disc and greeting card and this as well, and double-sided tape. So now let's switch on the battery. So try with different colors and different cards, other cards given. Take this double-sided tape now and stick it here so that it does not open, and close it so it will not open. Now put it here and take some colors. So now see that your battery holder is off and it is in static position. Now put some colors. So let us now spin our colors. Then now turn other side also and do the same. So you can write happy birthday and give this card to your loved ones. So for drawbot, we need to take out this circular disc, this disc fan also, and insert a straw. Now to this straw we need to add some weight, for which we need some clay. Put it here to the straw. And now add these sketch pens to these holes in the spin art. So insert these sketch pens into these holes. So here is our drawbot setup ready. So remove these caps and then place it on the floor. Switch on the battery.